This is ForceThirteen's Australian Oceania channel for Monday the 21st of September 2020, and the Bureau of Meteorology South Australia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. First one for today, looking at the Australian continent. It's for damaging winds for people in the Kangaroo Island, parts of the Lower East Peninsula and York Peninsula districts. Severe thunderstorms only produce damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour in the warning area over the next several hours, and locations which may be affected include Port Lincoln, Stenhouse Bay and Pardana. Wind gusts 102 kilometres an hour was observed at Neptune Island at 7 a.m. And a gale warnings in place for the following areas down here in South Australia: Lower West, Central, South Central Coast, the Investigator Strait, the Upper South East and Lower South East Coast. Strong wind warning, the Adelaide metropolitan waters, the Far West, Upper West Coast, the Spencer Gulf and Gulf of St Vincent. And for Tuesday, the Bureau will have a similar warning in place. Gale warning for the Central, South Central Coast, Investigator Strait, the Upper South East, Lower South East Coast. Strong wind warning again for the Adelaide Metro waters, the Far West, Upper West, Lower West Coast, Spencer Gulf, Gulf St Vincent. And the Bureau of Meteorology has cancelled the severe weather warnings. There was one in place for parts of Victoria and WA. Strong wind warning, New South Wales, Byron Coast, Goss, Macquarie and Hunter Coast, and a similar one for Tuesday. Gale warnings in place: Victoria, West Coast, strong wind warning, the Central Coast, and I've cancelled one for the Port Phillip Bay. Expanded gale warning at this point in time on Tuesday. And Tasmania has a strong wind warning for the far north west, southwest, central west coast, and a gale warning again for the east of Flinders Island Tuesday. And the Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has issued a further severe weather warning for damaging winds, and it's for the central southwest parts of the East Gippsland, north central, northeast, west, south Gippsland forecast districts. Squally conditions for southern and mountain Victoria Tuesday. Series of cold fronts will cross Victoria over the coming days, damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 90 to 100 kilometres an hour, likely to develop about the elevated areas above 500 metres overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. Damaging winds also possible about the remaining areas of the warning area, developing about the southwest at first early tomorrow morning, extending the central parts later in the morning. These winds will most likely be associated with showers and or thunderstorms. Winds will gradually ease from the west later Tuesday, clearing the east of the state during Wednesday morning. Locations which may be affected include Warrnambool, Ballarat, Geelong, Melbourne, Bakers Marsh and Wonthaggi. That's Another severe weather warning issued by the Bureau of Meteorology of Victoria. Now we have a look at the Bureau's total forecast of rain. Rainfall information, the scale, right hand side of the screen. And looks like it's going to be the western half of Tasmania, going by the green, the east Gippsland region, and area south of Perth, WA. We will continue to bring the latest information to you when possible, and please continue to monitor our earthquake continuous streaming channel. And bye for now.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, ForceThirteen.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword ForceThirteen, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword ForceThirteen. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.ForceThirteen.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.